Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series. In our previous episode we have designed two sections: hero section, services section, and this call to action. Now let's design our doctors or the team section. Let's insert 4 column section, make it full white, column gap no gap. Okay, then yeah, I think we can insert about 150 padding and 150 padding to the bottom. After that, team jacket team pine, use this. Okay, and style overlay. Okay, like this. Okay, and here color and icons, we need to sense it. Yeah, here is the name, here is the designation or the position, and if you want to have description you can add it here like this. Okay, and social profiles here. Social profiles. Okay, go to style, overlay color black is fine, but we need to sense few colors. For example, the position color white, description color white, like this. And social profiles, okay, for the social profiles I think we have to change the color on here in this. On this tab. Okay, yeah, background color like this. Yeah, background background. Okay, and here copy this, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Yes, yeah. It would be nice if we have different photos. Okay, let's change these few sample colors. different size. It does not look good. Preferably image should have the different same size to make it look good. So let's try it. Yeah. Okay, let's replace this. With someone like this. Okay. Oh, put it here. Okay, they have the same height or the same ratio, image ratio, so it looks good. It looks better. And if you have more than for doctors, then you can just replicate this section like this, duplicate it. Oh, system is a little slow. Here, what we can do, remove this top padding, and at the same time remove the bottom padding from this above section. Okay, now we have this. Oh, even though we remove the padding, the oh, okay, no, sorry, it should be 150, and here we have removed them, but still there is little margin space here. Where is it coming from? No gap. Okay, here no gap. Okay, then let's try margin. Okay, negative margin 10. Okay, now there is no space. Okay, okay, but we will have only 4 members, so let's add paddings here. About we can increase to about 200 at the top, 200 at the bottom, like this. Okay, my system is little slow today, and here let's call it doctors. This section ID is doctors. Then the next is testimonials. Okay, one column section. One page to the top, one 50 to the bottom, and gradient white and radial. Okay, testimonial. Okay, jacket testimonial. One autoplay, show arrow, show dots, show code, show rating, layout, okay. Here all at the testimonials you want about our job, name, review, ratings here. Okay, then let's go to style. Description, color. Okay, like this. And coming back here, bottom, middle, no, middle is arrow. Okay, here. Oh, knob does not look good. Top right. Okay. This, I think, these navigation arrows, it does not look good. Let's see if where there is any. Okay, arrow here. Yeah, padding about 15. Okay, color white. Yes, background color. Border radius 30. Oh, the okay, it does not look good. Remove it. Remove the border radius. Okay, leave this by default on hover. Background color. Okay, now it looks better. Actually, one thing we can do is, if we remove this call to action section directly, and then we can move this doctors up a little, even, yeah, we can remove all these paddings, and here we can also remove this section background color. Yeah, that's it. And this navigation button is too large. Okay, arrow, this padding reduced to about 6, 8. Okay, that's it. And let's call this section testimonials. Okay, testimonials. Did it. Yeah, now after removing the call to action section, now it looks much more fluid. The flow of this design is more fluid. Okay, then the last section for this home page is appointment section. For that we need to set up appointment plugin. I think, yeah, we need to do that in the next episode. Stay tuned for the next episode, and I hope you learned something new in this video, and we will be able to finish this video series in the next episode. Okay, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.